Hi everybody, it's me again. It is Tuesday. Tuesdays are going to be my upload days since I'm only doing it once a week. But today I'm doing just a cute little sparkly purple moment. I've got these cute hair clips. They're from Witching Hour Baby on Instagram. They say strange and unusual. Yes ma'am, they're so cute. Go get you some. First, I'm priming my lids today with my P. Louise base. Of course, my tried and true eyeshadow primer. It's my favorite. And I'm using the new Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette, which is actually really stunning. I love that they did a couple of nude colors, and then they did some crazy purples, but it comes with this cute little brush. And I am going to be using it today. It's a double-ended brush. So I'm taking this light lavender color and I'm just placing it into my crease. I'm doing a really light look today. This is super easy, super simple. Sometimes I just like to do like a one-colored, shadow look with a giant wing liner, put some glitter on that bitch and call it a day. You know what I'm saying? So I'm taking the darker purple shade and I'm just kind of creating a smoky-ish purple eye, if you will. And I'm taking this lighter purple color and I'm just kind of putting it in the crease a little bit, but basically I just have shimmer all over my whole entire eyelid, and there is nothing wrong with that. You don't always have to just do like matte in the crease. Pack shimmer all over that bitch. I'm sorry, I'm cussing a lot today. I'm in a great mood today, so excuse me. I'm taking my Melt Cosmetics liquid liner. I love this liquid liner, and I'm just doing a really giant winged liner. There's no holding back with winged liner, y'all. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love a good winged liner. Next, I am taking this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter. This is in Studio. I actually used this in my last tutorial as well, but I just like to place it all over my whole lid. You can really layer this stuff, so if you let it dry for a second and do another layer, it's amazing because the adhesive's already in there. Right? Like you don't have to put down glitter glue and then glitter on top. You just pop it on there and you're good to go. So I went ahead and did my complexion. I will upload a complexion tutorial on here soon. I have a couple on my Instagram, but I don't have one on here yet. So I'm using this Colourpop gel liner and it is in the shade, oh my god. What shade is it in? Oh, Exit. It's called Exit. I'm so sorry. I totally had a brain fart there. And then I'm just like smoking out the lower lash line a little bit, adding some glitter to the inner corner lower lash line. Just getting a little wild over here. And then I'm just brushing off the powder. I do this because I like a really crisp line for my contour, and I also put the powder underneath my eye so I don't, if there is fallout from like smoking out my lower lash line, I can just dust it away, no problem. So, and also to make my nose contour nice and crisp and neat too. I decided the lower lash line needed to be darker, so I'm using my Wet n Wild Violet Multistick, and I'm just adding a little bit to the lower lash line and then smoking it out with some shadow. Not going too crazy, just a little darker. Doing my inner corner, my signature inner corner point there. I love doing this because it creates such an elongated kind of eye look. I love it. I just love it. It just completes it, I'm taking this Colourpop Super Shock highlight and I'm going to be placing this on my cheeks, everywhere you put a highlight. I love Colourpop's highlights because they're not like a liquid or a cream, but they're not a powder. They're like right in the middle and they just stick to the skin so well and they are just popping. I mean, look at that highlight. That is insane. I love them. They're some of my favorite highlights on the market and they're super affordable. You can't go wrong with that. Using my Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara, I'm just doing a little coat of mascara before I do my false lashes today. I'm using my Crypt lashes. They make the most beautiful giant lashes, you guys. Oh my goodness. These ones are called the Grim Reaper. Look at these babies. Oh my, I want my eyelashes to touch my eyebrows. Go past my eyebrows. Go up to my hairline. I just want the most giant lashes. I love them. They're so gorgeous. I'm also tightlining my upper lash line. I love doing this because it just makes it look a lot darker and more complete up there. Blends the lashes together, if you will. Oh yes, look at me, so cute. Now we're moving on to lips. I'm using my Farsali Unicorn Antioxidant Lip Mask. I love to just do a little light layer of this before a liquid lipstick so my lips don't get too dried out. I love Farsali products. They're some of my favorite like skincare slash makeup products, like makeup prepping products out there. I am lining my lips with my Laura Mercier Wild Grape Lip Liner. And then I'm going in with my LA Splash Lip Couture. This is in the shade Ghoulish. How cute is that name? I just can't get over it. It's just like a grayish kind of purpley lavender color. Oh yes, so cute. But that's the tutorial today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Just a little something simple. Again, like I said, I will be uploading every single Tuesday. Just for now, hopefully in the future it will be more, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a little something, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.